JL here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on the Wise app. So to do this is pretty simple. So we'll have to open up the Wise app from here, and then you will see the send button right here below your total balance. So let's just press send right here. So from the send button right here, you'll be prompted to this. So you will have to send the certain currency and you'll exchange it for another currency. So let's do AED right here. So let's say we have 30,000 and then we're going to swap it with AED, or we can do US dollars just like a while ago and swap it for AED. So we have 30,000 US dollars, and then here there's going to be fees as you can see. So your total fee will be 259 US dollars, which is quite a lot for this type of transaction. But here you can do price comparisons, of course. As you can see, you will see how Wise compares with others, as you can see right there. So you have Wise, OFX, XE, Andrews, and Stanford. And then here, if you're satisfied, just press continue. And then here you will see if you want to send to a recipient using Wise or enter bank details. So if you want to create a recipient, you want to choose the account type, which is the person right here. If it's a person or a business, bank details, or let's just say it's your account right here. So it's going to just do that. So you will have to place the IBAN right here, and then the country, city, recipient address, and then confirm. And your money is going to be on its way in several or just a few business days. So there you go, guys. That is how you send money on Wise app. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.